A detailed guide to compensation in a Queens car accident case. Many Queens drivers don't realize how complex recovering fair compensation can be until they're facing medical bills and lost wages after a crash. In New York, after a car accident, you must first turn to your own insurance due to the state's no-fault system. This means your personal injury protection coverage is your immediate lifeline, paying 100% of reasonable medical costs such as ambulance rides, surgeries, rehabilitation and prescriptions. Personal injury protection also reimburses 80% of your lost wages up to $2,000 a month for up to 3 years. You may receive up to $25 a day for a year to cover transportation and household tasks. There is a $2,000 death benefit for fatal crashes. However, these benefits have strict deadlines. You have 30 days to file Form NF2 with your insurer, medical providers must submit bills within 45 days, and proof for lost wages or out-of-pocket expenses must be submitted within 90 days. For serious injuries or expenses that exceed $50,000, you can step outside the no-fault system and sue the at-fault driver. 2 gateways allow this. Your medical bills and other no-fault benefits exceed $50,000, or you suffer a serious injury, such as broken bones, significant disfigurement or an injury that prevents you from doing your usual activities for at least 90 out of the first 180 days after the crash. Even if your expenses exceed $50,000, you must still meet the serious injury threshold to pursue compensation for pain and suffering. When a claim moves beyond personal injury protection, proving negligence is critical. To win, you must show the other driver owed you a duty of care, breached that duty through careless or reckless actions, and that their breach directly caused your injuries and damages. New York follows a pure comparative negligence rule, meaning your compensation will be reduced by your percentage of fault. A skilled lawyer helps gather evidence like police reports, medical records, witness statements, and photographs to establish liability. Damages available in a Queens car accident lawsuit fall into 2 categories: economic and non-economic. Economic damages include reimbursement for past and future medical expenses, past and future lost wages, loss of future earning capacity, and property damage. Non-economic damages compensate for intangible losses such as pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, emotional distress and mental anguish, and loss of consortium. The severity and long-term impact of your injuries, the strength of your evidence and the insurance policy limits of both drivers all influence the value of your case. Time limits in New York are strict. You generally have 3 years from the date of the crash to file a personal injury lawsuit, 2 years to file a wrongful death claim, and as little as 90 days to file a notice of claim against a government entity. Missing these deadlines can bar your right to compensation. Because the process involves multiple steps: investigation, medical treatment and reaching maximum medical improvement, sending a demand letter, negotiating with insurers, and possibly litigation, settlements can take months or even years. Patience and thorough documentation are essential. Understanding these legal principles helps you make informed decisions after a collision. The type and severity of your injury, the insurance coverage available, the degree of fault, and the quality of your evidence are all factors that a lawyer will analyze before recommending whether to settle or litigate. While personal injury protection benefits offer quick relief, pursuing a claim against an at-fault driver may be necessary to fully recover for your losses and suffering. After an accident, consult with an attorney to protect your rights. An experienced attorney ensures deadlines are met and insurers do not undervalue your claim. A trustworthy law firm preserves evidence and makes sure your voice is heard. If you or a loved one was injured in a Queens car accident, prompt legal guidance can make a significant difference. Contact K.L. Sanchez Law Office, PC at 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, or call 646-701-7990. This law firm offers personalized representation to clients in Queens and will fight to secure the compensation you deserve.